Let's take a whirlwind journey through time and space, exploring how Albert Einstein, the wizard of physics, dramatically reshaped our understanding of the universe. Born in 1879 in a small German town, Einstein was no ordinary child. His curiosity about the mysteries of science began early and followed him into his studies at ETH Zurich. It was here that the seeds of a revolutionary thinker were sown. In 1905, Einstein dropped what can only be described as a scientific bombshell, the theory of special relativity. This wasn't just science, it was poetry in the language of mathematics. His equation, E = mc2, showed us that energy and mass are two sides of the same coin, completely transforming how we saw the world. But he didn't stop there. In 1915, Einstein introduced general relativity, turning our understanding of gravity on its head. He proposed that massive objects warp the very fabric of space-time, and guess what? He was right. In 1919, during a solar eclipse, his theories were proven when starlight bent around the sun just as he predicted. Einstein's genius also ventured into the quantum realm. His explanation of the photoelectric effect showed that light could behave as particles called photons, not just waves. This groundbreaking insight opened the door to quantum mechanics and snagged him a Nobel Prize. But Einstein was more than just his theories. His endless curiosity led him to probe the universe's deepest mysteries, from black holes to the possibilities of a unified field theory. Though he never completed that theory, his spirit of inquiry lives on, inspiring scientists around the globe to continue questioning, exploring, and understanding the cosmos. Einstein's legacy is monumental, impacting not only science but our everyday lives. From GPS systems to understanding the universe's grand scale, his ideas continue to fuel innovation and exploration. Imagination, he taught us, is indeed more important than knowledge. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, it's not just space you're seeing, it's Einstein's universe. Stay curious and keep exploring, because in this vast cosmic playground, who knows what we might discover next. While Albert Einstein's scientific contributions are well known, his personal life and lesser-known facts reveal a complex and fascinating individual. Let's dive deeper into the life of Einstein beyond the equations and theories. Einstein was a true citizen of the world. From an early age, he loathed nationalism and considered himself a citizen of the world. At just 16, he renounced his German citizenship and remained stateless until becoming a Swiss citizen in 1901. This decision reflected his deep-seated belief in the unity of mankind. In his personal life, Einstein married Mileva Maric, the only female student in his physics class at Zurich Polytechnic. Mileva was passionate about science, but sacrificed her ambitions to become the mother of Einstein's children. Their relationship was a blend of intellectual partnership and personal sacrifice, highlighting the often overlooked contributions of women in science. Einstein's political views also attracted significant attention. The FBI kept a 427-page dossier on him due to his associations with pacifist and socialist organizations. J. Edgar Hoover even recommended keeping him out of America, but the State Department overruled it, recognizing the value of his genius. In a more personal and poignant revelation, Einstein had an illegitimate daughter named Liesel with Mileva in 1902. Historians believe she either died in infancy or was given up for adoption. Einstein likely never met her, a tragic chapter in his life that remains shrouded in mystery. Einstein's Nobel Prize in Physics came with an unusual twist. Anticipating the award, he offered all his expected prize money to Mileva as part of their divorce settlement. The award amounted to $32,250, more than 10 times the average professor's annual salary at the time, showcasing his complex personal life and the sacrifices he made. Einstein's second marriage was also unconventional. He married Elsa, his first cousin. Interestingly, they were also second cousins, as Elsa's father and Albert's father were cousins. Her maiden name was Einstein, adding another layer of intrigue to his personal story. Beyond science, Einstein was a staunch supporter of civil rights and free speech. He volunteered to testify as a character witness for Webb Du Bois when he was indicted in 1951, demonstrating his commitment to justice and equality. These lesser-known facets of Einstein's life paint a fuller picture of the man behind the genius. His life was a tapestry of intellectual brilliance, personal struggles, and unwavering principles. As we continue to marvel at his scientific legacy, Let's also remember the human being who navigated a complex and fascinating life. Albert Einstein, the brilliant physicist, had a life filled with fascinating details beyond his groundbreaking scientific work. Here are some lesser-known facts about him. Einstein was an avid violinist. He loved playing the violin and found solace in its music. His violin was a cherished companion during his contemplative moments, providing a harmonious escape from the complexities of his theories. His curiosity extended beyond the visible world. Einstein enjoyed solving puzzles and brain teasers, often immersing himself in the invisible forces of nature, such as magnetism. The magnetic force that makes compasses work particularly fascinated him, reflecting his relentless quest to understand the universe. When not immersed in theoretical physics, Einstein sought outdoor adventures. He loved biking, sailing, and hiking. These activities allowed him to connect with nature and recharge his mind, showcasing a balance between his intellectual pursuits and a love for simple yet profound experiences. Einstein's compassionate nature extended to his interactions with street children. On his way to work, he often stopped to engage with them, showing kindness and genuine interest in their lives. His big heart and humility shone through these everyday encounters, revealing a man who never lost touch with the human side of life. Beyond science, Einstein recognized the importance of creative outlets. His violin playing, love for puzzles, and outdoor pursuits allowed him to balance his scientific achievements with personal interests. These hobbies humanized him, emphasizing that even the greatest minds find joy in simple pleasures and creative pursuits. In these facets of his life, we see a different dimension of Einstein, a man who, despite his monumental contributions to science, found joy in music, nature, and human connections. It's a reminder that brilliance can coexist with simplicity,